opening a Roth IRA was one of the best financial decisions that I ever made. Today I'm here to simplify the process for you so you can avoid the confusion that I went through. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what a Roth IRA is, why is it such a powerful tool for retirement, and how to open one step by step. Plus, I'll share some tips to maximize your investment, even if you're just starting out. So grab a notebook and a pen because it's about to go down. If you're a note taker, I suggest that you write this down. And if you're not a note taker, I recommend you write this down. Now let's get into it. Step 1, understand what a Roth IRA is. A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account that allows you to grow your money tax-free. You contribute after-tax dollars, and when you withdraw in your retirement, you don't pay any taxes on your earnings. That's right, no tax on the gain. Step 2, check your eligibility. In 2025, you can contribute to a Roth IRA if your modified adjusted gross income is below $153K for single filers or $228K for married couples filing jointly. If you're within this range, you're good to go. If you're above it, there's still hope. You can explore a backdoor Roth IRA. Comment down below if you would like a video on the backdoor Roth IRA. Step 3, choose a brokerage. Next, you'll need to pick a brokerage to open your account. Some popular options are Vanguard, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab. Me personally, I have a Charles Schwab account. Look for low fees, user-friendly platforms, and a range of investment options. Step 4, after you pick your brokerage, you're gonna open and fund that account. Opening an account is as easy as filling out a form online. You'll need to provide basic information like your social security number and employment details. Once your account is open, you can fund it with direct deposit, and I recommend doing direct deposit. Do not have that money going to your account and then sending it over to your investment portfolio. Now, before we go on, let me know what's your biggest hesitation about opening a Roth IRA. Let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure y'all stay engaged and let me know if y'all need me to expand more on something that I discussed previously. Step 5, and this is the fun part, start investing. Once you funded your account, it's time to invest. Remember, a Roth IRA isn't an investment itself. It's a container for your investment, meaning just because you fund your account, that doesn't mean your money's growing. You still got to pick a stock. Consider starting off with low-cost index funds or ETFs, which is great for beginners. When I first opened my Roth IRA, I started small. I invested as little as $50 a month into the S&P 500, and over time, that small habit grew to thousands of dollars. And I'm living proof that you don't have to be rich to start investing. You just need to start. And as always, I like to show proof to back up everything that I'm saying. Let's recap what we covered today. Number 1, a Roth IRA is a tax-free growth retirement account. Number 2, check your income eligibility before you open up an account. Number 3, choose a reputable brokerage that fits your needs. Number 4, open and fund your account with as little as $50. Number 5, start now can make a big difference in your financial future. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. If this video helped you feel more confident about opening a Roth IRA, hit that like button and subscribe for more wealth building strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below, and I'll respond to as many as I can. Hey man, that's all for today. Peace.